Turning on or off your Google Pixel 9 is a fundamental task that every user should know, as it can help with troubleshooting and battery management. Here's how to do it. To turn off your Google Pixel 9, press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. A menu will appear on the screen and you'll see options to power off, restart, or enter emergency mode. Tap on the power off option to shut down your device. It will take just a couple of seconds before your phone shuts down completely. Now to turn on your Google Pixel 9, press and hold the power button. Keep holding until you see the Google logo appear on the screen. Release the button and wait for your device to complete the boot process. Remember, if your device becomes unresponsive, you can force a restart by holding down the power button for about 30 seconds. That's all there is to turning your Google Pixel 9 on and off. This simple process can be helpful for resolving minor software issues or conserving battery when you're not using your device for extended periods. I hope this video can help you. And please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.